So we're gonna try a forgotten favorite from the 60s, 70s era. I think it was more the 70s, and that is buttered Cheerios. I'm gonna use the sweetened ones, the Honey Nut Cheerios, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the Chinese spice seasoning and cinnamon. If you put butter, and then you just put your Cheerios in there, and just brown it. That's it. It's supposed to be like a really good, I do kind of remember this when I was a kid, that you just put some butter and kind of brown it. You could either make it sweet or savory. If you want, you could use the regular Cheerios and put a little bit of a dash of salt or whatever. It's kind of like popcorn in a way. Maybe I'll do this. A little bit of this stuff on here now. I love this stuff. This stuff tastes good in your coffee. You can see it's browning. I tasted a couple of them. They actually taste good. I started it on a medium heat. If it's too high, kind of turn it down. So I was watching YouTube, like forgotten foods from the 60s and 70s that were popular. And I was like, oh my gosh, I remember, you know, my mom or my grandma making stuff like that. All right, let me see. I think it's almost about done. Okay, I sprinkled a little more of the Chinese 5 spice and some, I can't even pronounce it right, cinnamon. So I could see, like, you could even probably mix this in with popcorn or just add whatever you want to this. You could probably sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar or throw in some little candies or something. But it actually tastes really good. I'm surprised people don't make this more often, but I did use the Honey Nut Cheerios. And I think back in the day, they didn't have Honey Nut, so they just used the regular Cheerios. All right, good recipe. Fast and easy, good, simple snack.